Let's learn how you can remove your WhatsApp account from other devices that are connected and linked to your WhatsApp. This is actually very easy, and I will show you this tutorial on iPhone, but you can follow up with any other device you want because method is same for every phone. Without any delay, let us start by opening our WhatsApp application. Now you'll have to go to settings, and as you could see from settings, you'll just have to go to this linked devices option, and it will open a new tab that has a list of every device that is connected and linked to your WhatsApp. As you can see here, I'm only connected to Windows. Now to log out from here, you will have to tap on the device that is connected. In my case, it's Windows. And now to log out, you will just have to press this red logout button, and it will remove your devices from your WhatsApp account. If you have more devices linked, it will be listed here where this Windows is, and you will have just to click every single one and click on logout to remove them.